Welcome back to Boomer's Playground, and today we'll be going over coding exercise 59 of the Colt Steele Web Developer Bootcamp on Udemy. And we are in a new section called the Missing Piece DOM Events. The last section we were grabbing elements from the DOM, we were manipulating elements from the DOM. I think this is going to be more of an event-based thing, such as like a click or a hover or an actual like interaction with the DOM element. But let's read over and let's find out. So in this exercise, we're going to write some inline event handlers, which is not something he recommends, but hopefully it will illustrate to you just how annoying it can be. So in our index, you'll find an H1 and a button. Please add two inline click handlers directly in the HTML. H1 should print boo, and the button should print clicked. All right. So looks like you guys just went over the video, but again, let's assume something else came up. Click handler inline JS. And let's see how we do this. All right. Yeah, I don't really care for that. So here we're doing that. So we're really, well, what's the function? Yeah, we don't want it in JavaScript though. All right, well, I wonder if we can just do it all online. All right, well, let's see. So we have this onClick equals, and let's just mess around and see what we can find here. So we'll do onClick equals, and well, let's just do this console log boo, and I'm gonna need to do. So if you have something like this where we have single quotes on the outside, if we're gonna do quotes on the inside, we need to mismatch the quotes. So single quote, double quote, and we could reverse that, and we can have double quotes on the outside, but then we have to do single quotes on the inside. So let's see. I think we'll do console log, and what does this one say? Oh, clicked. All right. All right, so let's see. So if I click on that, nothing happens. If I click on that, nothing. Oh, because we're printing it. We're not doing anything. So, well, let's just check the solution, see if that worked. Okay, cool, and it did. So apparently we can write JavaScript inside of this, and we have this onClick. We really could have done alert, and then that would pop up on the screen so we could see if that's actually what we're doing. It's obviously not going to pass the test. So see, we got boo there, we got clicked there. It's not going to pass the test because it specifically asks for printing, which means console log, but that was an easy way for us to say like, okay, cool, this is doing kind of what we expected. So you can do pretty much any JavaScript in here that you want. So like we could do 6 plus 5, and again, let's alert it. And so this should give us 11 if I click on this, and it does. So you can do a lot of this inline, kind of like he states up here. You don't ever really want to do that. It just gets really annoying, and it's not very clean. And we're going to go right here, this add event listener. That's when you're going to learn how to add clicks and stuff like that dynamically through the JavaScript. But this was pretty basic. This was kind of just to show you that it can be done in case you ever come across it in the wild. Alternately, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next exercise.